My dear friend, today again we are going to talk about adjective. Already we have discussed about different kinds of adjectives. Previously we have seen qualitative, quantitative, numeral adjective, demonstrative adjective. Today we are going to talk about interrogative adjective. How to, when we ask a question, and how interrogative words function as adjective. So mainly you can see here I have written what, which and whose. These three words, they work as interrogative adjective. So how they are asked and what is the difference between them. For example, what book are you reading? So what is also used for selection, unlimited selection. The same question you can see that with which here, which book do you want? What is the difference between which book do you want, which has is selecting in limited 2, 3, 4 like this. Which book do you want? It means there is selection out of 3, 4, 5 like this. But if there is unlimited things and out of that you have to select, here what book are you reading? It means there is no limited selection. There is unlimited types of books. That's why this what will be suitable there. What is also, mainly what is used for things also, but here I am talking about how to ask, how to use what as an interrogative adjective when it talks about selection. So what book are you reading? It means there is a lot of choice. And which book do you want? Few choice. There are few, 2, 3, 5 like this. What time is the meeting? This is also inquiry, and what is being used as adjective because it is modifying time. What time is the meeting? Unlimited choice. What color do you like? So what color do you like? There are different kinds of color. If unlimited, suppose if there are two colors, black and white, so I can say which color do you like, because limited selection is there. But if unlimited, there are so many options, then we should use what color do you like. Here you see which place are you going to. So which place are you going to? Limited selection. When in your mind there are few options, then you will ask which. What subject do you study most? So what subject do you study most? It means unlimited selection. What idea do you have in mind? Here you see that which student is absent today. Which student is absent today? Limited selection. Which road goes to a station? Suppose 2, 3, 4, 5 roads are there and you are asking which road goes to the station. Which idea is better? Suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 classes are here. I can ask which class do you read in? So in this way we use which and what. This is, here you see that what book are you reading and which book do you want. So book is noun in both the cases, in both the sentences. So you should not confuse that with book always what will be used or always which will. It depends that how many options are there. If you think that there are unlimited options, then you will use what, and if there are limited options, then you will use which. And third one is whose. This is possessive interrogative adjective. It asks possessive questions. Whose book is this? Whose book is this? Answer will be again here, because here we are talking about interrogative adjectives. At the same time, I will tell you about possessive adjectives. This is also one of the kind of adjectives, and all the possessive interrogative adjective is giving the answer of this. Whose book is this? And here answer will be this is my book. Here this my word, this is possessive adjective. Whose pen are you using? I am using your pen. This your is also possessive adjective. Whose car is parked outside? So here this car is his car. This is his car. For example, his car is parked there. Number 4 question is, whose idea was this? So here that was her idea. And number 5, whose house did you visit? I visited their house. So in this way, my dear friend, you can see that all these words, for example, my, your, his, her, their. So these words are called possessive adjectives. So I am sure that these two kinds of adjectives we have made it clear here: interrogative adjectives and possessive adjectives. This is very important for speaking, because wherever when you discuss with someone, so always you modify your noun. Either you modify with the help of qualitative adjectives. If you talk about the quantity, quantitative adjectives. If you talk about number, numeral adjective. If you demonstrate your noun, either near or far something, so demonstrative adjectives, this, that, these, those. And if you want to ask questions with modification, so here interrogative adjectives are present before you, and possessive adjectives, that you are pausing, saying something, you are owning that thing. So in this way you will use as my, your, his, her, their, etc. And especially this possessive interrogative word whose, all the answers will be in possessive adjectives. Here I have shown you in this example. I am sure you will see it, and you will try to study and read again and again to get it.